Welcome to the TVS King Deluxe Plus iPod Start Product Enlightenment Training. This is Module 1. Module 1 covers exclusive features, advantages, and benefits of the TVS King Deluxe Plus iPod Start. What does plus mean? Plus simply means more. The TVS King Deluxe Plus iPod Start offers more features, more advantages, more benefits. We will present this in a clearer, more concise terms in the following slides. More, as we said, means more technology. It means more strength. It means more durable. It means more comfort and convenience. It means more safety. It also means more style. In this product, the TVS King Deluxe Plus iTouch, technology plays a critical part. This has been leveraged by the R&D team to increase the strength, durability, comfort and convenience, safety and style associated with the product. The TVS King Deluxe Plus significantly stands apart on the legs of the technological innovations that have become part of this product. We will go into this in the following slides. When we talk about more technology, essentially we're talking about the ISG integrated starter generator component that stands this product apart from every other three-wheeler product in existence today. The TVS King Deluxe Plus has a component called the ISG, the Integrated Starter Generator, that gives this product a few unique attributes. These attributes sit on what is called the what we have identified as integrated starter motor. This is a patented technology, first of its kind in the three-wheeler segment, that aids the vehicle start silently with feather touch start feature and start and stop at the push of a single button. This technology can be explained when compared to the conventional electric start. In the conventional electric start, these diagrams will take us through explaining what this difference really means. In starter mode, the button is pressed, message is triggered to the battery powers the starter motor. Starter motor rotates ring gear. Magneto rotates at speed of ring gear. Magneto drives crankshaft and piston till engine starts. Crankshaft drives magneto, generates current to charge battery. Current flows and charges the battery. You would notice that there are multiple steps to starting the conventional electric start, what every other person has and what the TVS King Deluxe has. This is what is standard in the industry. You press the electric start button, starter motor, Bendix drive rotates ring gear rotates crankshaft, and the engine starts. This is a summary of how it happens. Conventional electric start. A few questions will be asked. Why does it take time to start? It takes time to start because of the mechanical linkages. The centrifugal force required to move the Bendix to rotate the ring gear until it reaches a cranking revolutions per minute of 650 RPMs. More inertia in the system. Heavy components to be moved needs large energy from battery. Why does it make noise? Gear engagement, metal grinding against metal. And what happens over a period of time? The bendix drive wears out and requires replacement. At some cost, the starter motor weakens and also requires replacement. Our R&D department then sat back and thought, can we start with less energy from the battery? Questions came up. Can we have a maintenance-free system? These questions brought to the fore the understanding there was time for a change, and these were given serious attention over time. What do we do if we want to cut down the time taken for work? Obvious answer is reduce the number of steps. Recall in the previous slide, we have about 4 to 5 steps to start the vehicle. What do we do if you want to run faster? You make the system lighter. How does one make a system lighter? We reduce the components, the heavy, weighty components. So what can one do to increase our profits as business owners and entrepreneurs? We eliminate and find alternatives to the items that make us spend repeated. Time for a change, and we present to you the iTouch Start. That presents a wow start every time, every day, and everywhere. This is a schematic presentation of how the ISG operates. Reminder, the ISG is integrated starter generator. This is what we call the iTouch. I'm poking the battery. Once the battery is on, the signal sent to the ISG controller once you press the button. It directs battery current to the magneto. Magneto rotates with battery power. Magneto drives crankshaft and piston till engine starts at 750 RPMs per minute. Recall in the conventional engine, it's much less than that. Once this starts, the crankshaft drives the magneto, generates current to charge battery at over 800 RPMs per minute. RPMs per minute means revolutions per minute for the engine. Alternating current flows through ISG controller and charges the battery. AC converts to DC. Alternating current is converted to the air current, and this maintains the charge for the battery. This presents what the ISG does for us in summary. Two quick steps to start, no mechanical linkages, no noise, it's silent, it's instant, and it's durable. In one word, we believe it is wow. This is the animated description of what happens. That was a summary, an animated summary of the two processes. Comparatively, we are presenting to you these two processes. The conventional start, which has multiple steps to start, and the ISG start, which takes just 2 steps to start without any mechanical transfers. For the conventional start, we press the electric start button, start motor bendix drive rotates the ring gear rotates crankshaft, and the engine starts. For the ISG, press iTouch button, magneto mounted on crankshaft rotates, engine starts. Simple, straight to the point. With the ISG, there's no need for Bendix drive, no starter motor, and no brushes. No Bendix drive means noiseless instant start and no maintenance required. No starter motor, no brushes means no maintenance required. Note this, no maintenance required. Where there's no maintenance required, because of the ISG, we save a ton of money. We don't need to replace, we don't need to repair, because these components hitherto are no more part of the vehicle. The ISG system at this point will highlight the features and the benefits. Effortless single touch start as a feature of the ISG. The benefit is feather touch feel. It's easy to start. You touch it, it comes on. You press it, it goes off. No starter motor. As I said earlier, no starter motor. It's noise-free with smooth operations. Less number of parts, low maintenance, and high durability. Less number of parts means there's low maintenance and high durability. Reliable technology for power savings. It extends your battery life for longer. Start and stop multiple times, offering great convenience in traffic and saving on fuel for you. We move to the single start-stop switch, which is this switch that is a patented component of the TVS King Deluxe TVS King Deluxe Plus iTouch Start. Sorry. The feature of the single start-stop switch. Single start and stop, easy to start and stop without switching off ignition key, saves fuel in traffic and at traffic stops. The benefits, quick start and stop at any point, at any time. It saves money and saves the environment. It saves money because it saves on your fuel and saves the environment because you burn less fuel and there's less gases. The exhaust does less work and by sending less gases into the environment. It doubles the life of ignition key because you use your ignition key significantly less. Car-like feature, the start-stop button is a car-like feature. It grants you proud ownership of a feature that is available usually only in four-wheel vehicles. It offers you value for money and it presents greater convenience. The SSS, single start-stop switch, saves fuel, saves money, and saves the environment. Note, it is a patented innovation only in the TVS King Deluxe Plus. This is an animation that depicts the operations of the single start-stop switch. As easy as that. Single start, single stop switch. We now move to more strength because part of what is offered in this TVS King Deluxe Plus, apart from more technology, is more strength. We offer a stronger chassis and body. We offer a stronger cabin. We offer strong B and C pillars for support while passengers are in the vehicle and for structural integrity. Sorry. Moving on to that, this is a depiction of the stronger chassis and body. The benefit is a stronger, can withstand higher impact, and it is more durable. All the components, cross members, floor reinforcement, gusset frame, central long member, intermediate plate, all are compiled together to present a box that reduces impact onto the body, onto the rider, onto the passengers. With these components in the chassis, we have shifted the bar on safety for you and the passenger. Strong B and C pillars. These are support pillars that hold up the canopy the tarpaulin of the vehicles, and for support while we have people riding in the vehicle. It makes the vehicle sturdier and stronger. We're going to the next feature. It's more durable. The engine is more durable. It's got a 3-stage air filtration process, another innovative component of the vehicle. Strong reinforced chassis makes it more durable, as discussed in the previous slide. New splash guard split type. This also helps with strengthening the integrity of the shell of the cabin. More durable soft top canvas, another common feature such as RCF nanofreaks pistons. These following slides will explain this in clearer details. 3-stage air filtration has the cyclonic pre-filter, foam filter, and paper filter that provides dust-free pure air to the engine. It is easy to clean and maintain, increases service frequency, no need to replace as frequently as before, longer life of engine parts are part of what the 3-stage air filtration provides. This is a first-time innovation in the three-wheeler industry. This is an animation of this process. New splash guard. The benefits of the new splash guard is that it protects mud splash to engine compartment and engine assembly from wheel surface. This extends the durability of these components. Durable soft top canvas. It's stronger and durable soft top canvas, black color and contrasting yellow beadings. The canvas soft top thickness is more. It's increased from 0.85 to 1.85 mm to cm to 1 mm to 1 cm, sorry. The thickness, sorry, been increased from 0.85 mm to 1.00 mm. And the grams per square meter is 600, is been increased to 775 from 600. More comfort and convenience. The TVS King Deluxe Plus provides long and comfortable driver seat base, long and comfortable driver seat backrest, accurate fuel gauge, and other features such as easy reverse gear, easy entry and exit as part of the features for comfort in the vehicle. This is the conversation. This is the slide that discusses the seats. This was what it was before. This is what it is now. It's more comfortable and more passengers can travel. Long and comfortable driver backseat rest. This is what it is. More passengers can travel. Split seat 70 to 30 ratio and more profit for the rider and owner. Accurate fuel gauge. Easy to understand the fuel level, which was not so before. So this provides the breakdown. Once it's full, it tells you it's above 5.7 liters. Once it's at 3/4, 4.8 liters. Once it's half, 3.6 liters. Once it's a quarter, 2.2 liters. Once it trends to empty, you have less than 1.1 liter left. More safety, which is a critical component in the vehicle and a feature which we have given attention and thought to be able to increase the benefits of having increased features, safety features on the vehicle. We now have lockable under seats, lockable space under driver's seat, larger rear view mirrors, more durable soft-top canvas, other common features such as easy reverse entry, easy entry and easy exit. Large rear view mirror. The large rear view mirror is now larger and it's foldable. The initial existing size was 130 by 95 millimeters. Now it's 145 by 194 millimeters. The area of vision is almost double, almost tripled from 9692 millimeters squared to 28130. The area is also almost double. It provides 3 times more visibility compared than existing vehicle. It's aesthetic is strong and is sturdy, and it's easy to adjust. We're talking about the graphics. The TVS King Deluxe has stylish 3D logos on the front and new graphics of Deluxe Plus on both sides. It has an attractive look which adds to the styling. This helps you identify the product and sets it to stand out with amongst other vehicles. Thank you for listening to this module.